Take a look at these three resumes. Which one would you choose if you were the recruiter? Don't worry. Within the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how to create a resume that looks just as professional. So in this video, I'm not only sharing these three ATS-friendly resumes template with you, but also I will show you where to download many more for free. See, this will not charge you anything, no subscription, just clean, powerful templates that works. After helping thousands of professionals from freshers to VP land interview worldwide, I have noticed one common mistake. Most resumes focus on responsibilities, no result. In this video, I will show you how to avoid that and create a resume that gets shortlisted even without fancy design or fancy layout. So let's talk about resume structure. See, a strong resume includes a professional summary, especially when you are mid to senior level of professional targeting that roles. Your education, especially when you are a fresher. Your academic achievements or project, basically for freshers. Your internship when you are a fresher, and your work experience you have experience then only. Your extracurricular activities when you are a fresher, technical and soft skills for both fresher and professional. Your contact detail, that's must for all. So try to include at least 5 of these even if you are a student or fresher. It is very important for a strong resume. So let's talk about the templates. Now, I want you to revisit the three templates that I have shared earlier. Do they include these elements? Yes, they all follow the 7 golden rules I am about to share with you in this video. See, I always follow 7 resume rules that create strong resumes for my client. Number 1 rule is simple formatting. You have to stick to black text, clean fonts like Arial or Times Roman, Times New Roman or Calibri, and don't include tables, icons or photographs. If it is not required, please avoid that. Number 2 rule is one page only. See, most companies use ATS software and that reads only first page. So keep it for one page if you are a fresher or less than 5 years of experience. If you are having more experience, then only go for 2 page. But ensure that the first page, even if you are experienced professional, the first page contains the maximum highlight of your career. Third golden rule is consistency. You have to follow consistency throughout the resume. If you are writing dates in AUG August 2023 format, don't switch it in between complete AUG UST format. You have to maintain the same format. Same applies to month, durations, and punctuations as well. So uniformity is very important. Rule number 4 is use bullet point. See, bullet points are very easier to read. If you will write something in a paragraph and compare it with the bullet point, you will see bullet point will give more good readability. Especially when you are a fresher, don't include paragraph, use bullet points. And if you are a professional having more than 8 years of experience, use a combo of paragraph plus bullet point. Paragraph for your normal doer things on the resume and bullet point for your achievements, and ensure the bullet points or paragraph is having space in between the lines. It will improve the readability. Now let's talk about the golden rule of resume number 5. Check grammar and spelling. See, grammatical mistakes equals to instant rejection by ATS. Use tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT for checking the grammar. I have seen so many resumes that starts with a grammatical error and that instantly gives a rejection. Once you are done with the resume, make sure you are reading it thoroughly to identify if there is any mistake, and if you found any mistake, please correct it before submitting your job application. Now let's talk about the golden rule number 6, quantify achievement. And here, so many professionals, fresher as well as professionals, do mistakes. They talk about their responsibilities, manage their project, handling something, responsible for. So rather than saying manage the project, say something that quantify or that brings the impact. You have to ask few questions to yourself. Okay, I managed a project. What is the number of the team? Is there any team involved in the project? What was the outcome? Did we able to finish the project within the timeline or under the budget? What was the exact impact? When you are going to ask these questions, you will see that simple bullet point, manage the project, will transform to an accomplishment driven, impact driven bullet point. And that's what we need to do on the resume. And then only your resume will be more impactful. So ensure you are using impact driven, result driven bullet points on the resume. Now let's talk about the golden rule number 7. Tailor to the GD. GD means job description. See, read the job description very carefully and use the keyword from the job post. Like basically you have to follow skills, tools and responsibility. What they are focusing on the job description, you have to pick the words and you have to seamlessly include these words in your resume, and then you will see the ATS will be more strong for your resume. See, like most of the organizations are using ATS system. So if you will not customize your resume as per the job's requirement, your resume will not stand out. So making your resume more ATS driven, you have to read the job description and you have to customize your resume as per the job's requirement. Then only your resume will be more strong. So here are 7 basic rules for resume writing that makes your resume more accomplishment driven and more ATS friendly. Now, as I mentioned that I will share the templates, you have to go to the jobscan.co/resume templates, and there you can see a lot of templates, ATS driven templates. You only have to download the templates. You don't need to do any subscription or payment over there. They are only going to ask your email ID. That's it. You will get a Word file that's easy to edit. That's it. You will get a Word file that's easy to edit. Then just plug into your own info into the 7 rule I just shared. Don't forget to use my 7 rules whenever you are editing your resume or writing your resume. Then only you will get maximum benefit. Now, we also have to understand that why ATS matters a lot. See, I get so many questions why ATS is so important and my resume is ATS friendly or not. See, from 2024, most of the companies, even startups, are also using AI tools to scan resume. When I'm saying AI, that means they are using ATS to scan resumes so that they will going to get only the best resumes in front of them to save time. So if you are not ensuring that your resume is ATS optimized, the chances of getting selected will be very less. So ensure that you are reading the job description, because this is the only way to make your resume more ATS friendly. You have to read the job description very carefully. You have to identify the words, and then you have to incorporate these words in your resume, and ensure you are using my 7 rules to optimize or creating your resume. You will see that your resume will do wonders for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel to get more information related to your career development. I am Sona Bhatt, career coach and executive resume writer, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.